Hi, my name is Dr. Saravanaraja Muthusamy. I am a fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee replacements. Following my medical school and orthopedic residency training, I completed 4 years of fellowship training, including 1 year of training in the #1 orthopedic hospital in the country. I have performed more than 1,000 hip and knee replacements and 4,000 other orthopedic surgeries. I treat all kinds of hip and knee problems and do all types of hip and knee replacements. I do primary as well as revision hip and knee replacements. Patients from Laredo no longer have to travel long distances to get treatment for their difficult problems. We have all the necessary expertise, infrastructure, and a dedicated multidisciplinary team under one roof to treat all kinds of hip and knee problems and do all types of hip and knee replacements.